University of Mumbai, TY BSc Chemistry, Analytical Chemistry syllabus. Unit number 1, Introduction to Quality Concept, Chemical Calculation and Sampling. Quality in Analytical Chemistry. Concept of quality, quality control and quality assurance. Important of quality concept in industry, chemical standard and certify a reference material. Important in chemical analysis. Quality of material, various grade of laboratory reagent. Chemical calculation, interconversion of various concentration unit, conversion of concentration from one unit to another unit with example, percent composition of element in chemical compound. Sampling, purpose, significance and difficulties encountered in sampling, sampling of solid, sample size, bulk ratio, size to weight ratio, multi-stage and sequential sampling, size reduction method, sampling of compact solid, equipment and method of sampling of compact solid, sampling of particulate solid, method of equipment used for sampling of particular solid, sampling of liquid, homogeneous and heterogeneous statics and flowing liquids, sampling of gases, ambient and stack sampling, apparatus and method for sampling of gases, collection, preservation and dissolution of the sample. Unit 2, classical method of analysis. Redox titration, introduction, construction of the titration curve and calculation of E system in aqueous medium in case of one electron system, multi-electron system. Theory of redox indicator, criteria for selection of an indicator used for diphenylamine and ferroin as a redox indicator. Complexometric titration, introduction, construction of titration curve, use of EDTA as titrant and its standardization, absolute and conditional formation constant of metal EDTA complex, selectivity of EDTA as a titrant, factor enhancing selectivity with example, advantages and limitation of EDTA as a titrant, types of EDTA titration, metallochromics indicator, theory, example and application. Unit 3rd, optical method, atomic spectroscopy, flame emission spectroscopy and atomic absorption spectroscopy. Introduction, energy level diagram, atomic spectra, absorption and emission spectra, flame photometry, principal instrumentation, flame atomizer, types of burner, wavelength selector, detector. Atomic absorption spectroscopy, principal instrumentation, source, chopper, flame and electrothermal atomizer. Quantification method of FES and AS, calibration curve method, standard addition method and internal standard method. Comparison between FES and AAS. Application advantage and limitation. Molecular fluorescence and phosphorescence spectroscopy, introduction and principle, relationship of fluorescence intensity with concentration, factor affecting fluorescence and phosphorescence, instrumentation and application, comparison of fluorometry and phosphorometry, comparison with absorption method, turbidimetry and nephelometry, introduction and principle, factor affecting scattering of radiation, concentration, plastic size, particle size, wavelength, refractive index, instrumentation and application. Unit 4, method of separation, factor affecting extraction, chelation, ion pair formation and solvation. Graph of percent extraction versus pH, concept of pH and its significance, Craig counter current extraction, principal apparatus and application, solid phase extraction, principal process and application with special reference to water and industrial effluent analysis, comparison of solid phase extraction and solvent extraction, high performance liquid chromatography, introduction and principle, instrumentation component with their significance, solvent reservoir, degassing system, pumps, reciprocating pumps, screw driven sealing type pumps, pneumatic pumps, advantages and disadvantages of each pumps, pre-column sample injection system, HPLC column, detector, UV visible detector, refractive index detector, qualitative and quantitative application of HPLC, high performance thin layer chromatography, introduction and principle, stationary phase, sample application and mobile phase, detector, scanning densitometer component, type of densitometer, single beam and double beam, fluorometric detector, advantages, disadvantages and application, comparison of TLC and HPLC.